Hi, this is DIY Manual. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the filter from the pump that came with the Bestway power steel pool. This is a 14 feet by 8 feet by 39 inches power steel pool from Bestway. I have this for 1 year. So this pump is the one that came with the pool. I've been using this for 1 year and never have any issue with it. Okay, so this pump is 530 gallon per hour. The pool have a capacity of 2000 gallon. So in order for this pump to work, you need to run it for at least 8 hours, because the rule is you need to have two complete turnovers. So if you have 500 gallon per hour, you need to run it for 4 hours for it to do one complete turnover. So 8 hours will be the minimum you should be running this pump. So if you notice, there's no shutoff valve in this small pool. So the package comes with a stopper, but this is very hassle to use, because in order for you to use the stopper, you need to loosen this knob right here, and okay, let me see if you can see that. Remove this, take this out, and then put this stopper in. So I never really use this. So the way I do it is I basically just lift this up higher than the hose when I remove the filter, so that the water doesn't gush out of the filter when you open it. Okay, so let me show you how I did it. So first, what you want to do is just loosen this a little so you don't have a hard time opening it once you lift it up. Okay, don't open it all the way, so just loosen enough. Okay, then you want to lift this thing up higher than this. Open this, take out the pump, the old filter. So this filter is dirty. This is about 7 days. So you want to replace your filter at least twice a week. So let me clean it up. Put the new filter in. Put this back in. Close it. By the way, if you're interested in more pool videos like this, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to be sharing more of my experience in maintaining this pool. So before you turn on the pump, see there's like an air here. I'm sure there's an air inside this. You want to open this thing. Let the water out. So it gets filled up now with water. Same thing here. Then you can turn the pump back on. There you go. So you can see this is really dirty, because this is the first time I'm replacing this. This is mostly iron coming from my water. Usually replace the filter at least 4 to 5 days, every 4 to 5 days, and that keeps my water clean. If you notice here, as long as you have the water balanced properly and you have the chlorine, you have enough chlorine in it to clean the water, you should be good. So for this one here, you don't have to throw this away, you can reuse this thing. So to reuse this, you just have to wash it. So I'll show you. See that? So this is the filter, just cleaned. This is the one that came with it earlier. I noticed what I found out is, if you have like a flat um, option in your pool, that's what I use. Basically, go like this on each side and then do it on the other side. So I was able to clean this really well. This is the first time. Last, if you clean your filter properly, you should be able to use it for the whole season. Last year I have two filters that I'm switching, and I was able to use those two filters for 6 months. I have the pool out around end of April, and then we close it around October or November. So as long as you clean the filter, you don't have to uh, keep buying a new one. You should be able to just have two and switch them around. So basically, just put it aside and use it again on your next filter change.